discover a selection of affordable tools that combine quality, performance, and durability without breaking the bank. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these budget-friendly essentials will help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Upgrade your toolkit today with reliable, cost-effective tools designed to handle any task with precision and ease. Bosch GFF18V. The Bosch GFF18V is an 18-volt cordless brushless biscuit joiner delivering corded level power with portable convenience. Its brushless motor maximizes runtime and handles hardwood smoothly, while a tool-free depth knob switches between 0, 10 and 20 biscuits. The adjustable fence locks from 0 degrees to 90 degrees with 5 detents for repeatable accuracy, and an integrated dust port works with the supplied bag or a shop extractor. Ergonomic slim grip and large auxiliary handle improve control during long jobs. Built with metal angle guides and a thin application plate, it's compatible with Bosch Professional and multi-brand AMP Share 18-volt batteries for professional and hobbyists alike. JessEm Stainless Steel Dowelling Jig. The JessEm Stainless Steel Dowelling Jig is a precision-engineered tool designed for woodworkers seeking accuracy and durability in dowel joinery. Crafted in Canada from CNC machined 11-gauge stainless steel, it ensures longevity, stability, and flawless alignment. Featuring 1/16" detents for precise positioning, laser engraved markings for easy readability, and stainless indexing pins for quick, repeatable drilling, it excels in both performance and reliability. Available in various packages, ranging from the basic individual jig to the comprehensive seasoned professional kit, it accommodates imperial and metric sizes. Though it requires separate clamping, users praise its exceptional accuracy, build quality, and versatility for both hobbyists and professionals. JessEm Mite-R-Excel II. The JessEm Mite-R-Excel II is a premium, high-precision miter gauge engineered for serious woodworkers who demand exceptional accuracy and durability. It features a micro-adjuster, telescoping aluminum fence, and 9 index detent points for quick and precise angle settings. The Sheffield steel guide bar, equipped with patented snugger pucks, ensures a smooth, slop-free glide. Built from CNC machined aluminum with Swiss stainless steel and brass hardware, it delivers unmatched stability and precision. Though it comes at a higher price, its flawless performance, smooth action, and repeatable accuracy make it one of the finest miter gauges available for professional-grade woodworking projects. JessEm Pow-R-Tek SR Router. The JessEm Pow-R-Tek SR Router. Motor is a powerful, precision-engineered 3 1/4 horsepower motor, built specifically for router table use. Featuring an electronic variable speed control box with a digital display, it allows precise RPM adjustments between 10,000 and 22,000 for consistent cutting performance. Designed for quiet and smooth operation, it uses double-sealed angular contact bearings to minimize vibration and extend lifespan. A soft start system ensures smooth startups, while a no-volt release switch enhances safety. With low spindle runout under 0.001 inch, ER20 collets for superior grip, and optimized cooling airflow. This router motor delivers professional-grade power, precision, and durability. JessEm's Box Joint Jig. The JessEm Box Joint Jig, number 06300, is a precision-engineered router table accessory designed for crafting flawless and repeatable box or finger joints in projects like drawers, boxes, and cabinets. Featuring a smooth glide system with 4R4 bearings, it ensures controlled, accurate cuts. The jig includes interchangeable aluminum indexing keys and Baltic birch fences for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch joints. Its integrated bit guard enhances safety, while the 4 1/4 inch travel allows easy height adjustment. Compatible with standard router tables and the match-fit clamping system, this durable, wall-mountable jig makes creating professional quality joints fast, accurate, and efficient for any woodworker. JessEm STS Stock Guides. The JessEm STS Stock Guides, number 04320, are precision-engineered accessories for table saws, offering superior control, accuracy, and safety. Designed for contractor, cabinet, and job site saws, they use dual one-way roller bearings to apply inward and downward pressure on the workpiece, preventing kickback and ensuring straight, consistent cuts. The 5th angled rollers guide material firmly against the fence, while spring-loaded arms maintain steady pressure. Built from 304 stainless steel, the guides are durable and easy to adjust using pivot arms and locking handles. Compatible with most T-style fences, the STS guides deliver professional-grade results and store compactly when not in use. Milescraft 1337, LockMate trademark. The Milescraft 1337. LockMate is a professional-grade door lock installation jig designed to help DIYers and professionals achieve precise lock and latch hole placement. Compatible with both wood and metal doors, it includes durable bi-metal cobalt hole saws for long-lasting performance. The jig supports door thicknesses of 1 3/8 inches and 1 3/4 inches and allows adjustable backset settings of 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. A long pilot bit minimises tear out for cleaner holes, while the metal bushed guide ensures durability and accuracy. Complete with hole saws, a spacer plate, and mounting screws, the LockMate makes installing door hardware fast, accurate, and frustration-free. Woodpeckers SteadyCURVE 2.0. The Woodpeckers SteadyCURVE 2.0 is an upgraded magnetic band saw template guide that enhances precision and control in curved cutting. Featuring a single lever magnetic base, it allows quick setup on any cast iron or steel band saw table. The adjustable template follower lets users fine-tune the cutting offset up to 1/4 inch, ensuring consistent, accurate rough cuts for clean router finishing. Its corrosion-resistant construction and replaceable thermopolymer followers offer long-term reliability. With adjustable vertical height for materials up to 4 inches thick, the SteadyCURVE 2.0 provides professional-grade performance and is available from Woodpeckers, Amazon, and other woodworking retailers. WOKIN 20 Volt Brushless Cordless. The WOKIN 20 Volt Brushless Cordless series delivers professional-grade performance for both industrial and DIY projects. Powered by 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, these tools feature efficient brushless motors, ergonomic designs, and integrated LED work lights. The lineup includes the 20-volt brushless cordless drill with 58 Nm torque and a 1/2 inch metal chuck, and the 20-volt impact driver offering up to 200 Nm torque. The 20-volt impact drill provides 3 operation modes, while the 20-volt angle grinder runs at 8,500 revolutions per minute with safety features like anti-restart protection. Completing the set, the 20-volt reciprocating saw ensures fast, precise cutting, all part of WOKIN's durable cordless platform. WOKIN 12-inch sliding miter saw. The WOKIN 12-inch sliding miter saw is a high-performance, industrial-grade cutting tool designed for precision and power. Equipped with a 2000-watt corded electric motor and a 305mm 12-inch blade, it delivers clean, accurate cuts through a variety of materials. Its sliding function allows for wider cutting capacity, while the kerf laser indicator ensures perfect alignment. The belt drive system provides quieter operation and efficient power transfer. With a no-load speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute and multiple cutting angle capacities, this saw is ideal for professional carpenters and builders. It also includes a TCT saw blade and a sturdy work clamp for stability and safety. WOKIN 20 Volt Lithium Ion Cordless Impact Drill. The WOKIN 20 Volt Lithium Ion Cordless Impact Drill is a powerful and versatile tool designed for drilling, screw driving, and impact drilling in wood, metal, masonry, and concrete. It offers two versions: a standard model for everyday use and a brushless industrial model for heavy-duty applications. Both operate on WOKIN's 20-volt Li-ion platform with interchangeable batteries. The standard model provides 35 Nm torque, a 10mm keyless chuck, and 0 to 19,500 beats per minute impact rate. The brushless version delivers up to 58 Nm torque, a 13mm chuck, and 0 to 30,000 beats per minute. Each features an LED work light and optional dual 2.0 amp-hour batteries with accessory kits. WOKIN 550 watts straight grinder. The WOKIN 550 watt straight grinder is a high-performance industrial tool designed for precision grinding, sanding, and polishing. Powered by a 550-watt motor with variable speed control ranging from 7,000 to 34,000 RPM, it offers exceptional versatility for a variety of materials, including metal, wood, and plastic. Its compact, straight-body design ensures easy handling in tight spaces, while durable construction guarantees long-lasting reliability. Ideal for industrial applications, it comes with essential accessories such as carbon brushes and spanners. The WOKIN 550-watt straight grinder is available through WOKIN's official website. WOKIN Digital Caliper. The WOKIN Digital Caliper is a precision measuring instrument made from durable stainless steel, ideal for industrial, automotive, and DIY applications. It offers 4-way measurement capability, internal, external, depth, and step, with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 mm, plus or minus 0.0005 inches. A quick switch button enables easy unit conversion between inches, fractions, and millimeters, displayed clearly on a large LCD screen. The thumb roller and locking screw ensure smooth, precise operation and stable measurements. With a 0 to 150mm, 0 to 6 inch measuring range, this caliper combines reliability with convenience and comes in a protective plastic case. Available on Amazon, Alibaba, Easycart.com, and other global retailers. WOKIN 3000 watts Wet Diamond Core Drill. The WOKIN 3000 watt Wet Diamond Core Drill is a heavy-duty, professional-grade tool engineered for drilling through reinforced concrete, brick and stone. Powered by a robust 3000 watt motor, it delivers high torque at a low speed of 840 revolutions per minute, ensuring precision and stability. Its wet drilling system uses water to cool the bit, minimizing heat and extending tool life. Designed for holes up to 200 mm, it includes essential accessories like wrenches, a lifting handle, and carbon brushes. Built for durability and CE certified, the WOKIN core drill is ideal for construction, utility installations, and geological core sampling applications. WOKIN 12.5 amps wall chaser. The WOKIN 12.5 amp wall chaser is a high-performance power tool engineered for professional masonry work, ideal for creating clean and precise channels in brick, concrete or plaster walls to accommodate pipes and electrical cables. With its 1,500 watt motor and 8,500 revolutions per minute no load speed, it delivers efficient cutting power for demanding applications. The adjustable cutting depth 5 to 29 mm and width 8 to 30 mm provide flexibility for different installation needs. Additional features include a spindle lock for quick blade changes, a lock-on function for continuous operation, and a durable industrial grade design built to withstand tough job site conditions.